I think UPI has immense growth possible. I keep talking about it, and while I should speak about a billion a day few years back, but already the billion a day very close by. So we talk about now 100 billion a month. Now that's a objective, and I think that's a potential we have. Another 300, 400 million people who can come today to UPI, another 50 million merchants. So I think UPI is at the right stage to look at the next stage of growth. So that's what we look at.
Are we looking at adopting some technologies from other countries also now, going ahead?
I thought you would ask the question other way around.
I mean, India is already helping a lot of countries develop UPI-like architecture. It can be both ways. Wherever you can help us shed the light.
No, I don't think so. I think we want to be the technology leader of the world. That's an aspiration our Prime Minister has said. So I don't think other way around.
And only to understand that अभी हाल ही में CH technologies
The best we look at is
only to understand हाल ही में हमने CH technologies पे ransomware attack देखा. It's a concern because a small customer doesn't understand और safety लगती है तो ऐसे attacks को रोकने के लिए
no, but I think RBI is keeping a tight watch on all cyber security. In fact, there was a guidelines on cyber security from just from the couple of days back. So I think RBI is monitoring the situation. I don't see any concern. Even in the CH situation, there was no customers were protected. There was no financial loss. Yes, there was a disruption, and it was a big issue. But there was no other choice but to take a call to isolate, to avoid any other further damage to the ecosystem. So I think obviously it's an evolving subject, and I think the regulators are keeping a tight watch to keep on improving the situation.
Small clarification. Yeah. You said 10,000 crore a month of credit card UPI.
Credit on UPI. Credit.
So, and of it, 100 200 crore is non-credit card.
It's a credit line on UPI.
Credit line on UPI. So line is preloaded.
Pre-sanctioned. That's
on
right.
the UPI app.
That's right.
And which are the lenders who are active?
ICICI Bank is active.
Oh, only one.
ICICI is
right?
the leading bank.
Okay.
There are other 5-6 banks live, but ICICI is the leading. Yeah.